Kung using the parlance of elections, it is a command vote. At least most of them. I do not expect a 100% turnout, but just the same, if you believe in pastor, ay medyo maganda ang development na yun.
Mayor, the pastor requested that you take a rest for 1 week.
Yeah. Are we taking it advice?
Would you heed?
Wala akong panahon. Sige lang, may doktor man. Baka sa weapon lang. Si David kasi slingshot. Kung patayin kita, barilin kita ng 45. Bakit daw? Giant ka dyan.
Pero did it give you goosebumps when...
Yes, of course. I was exhilarated. That's the word. I was happy to see the pastor. He is really a good friend of mine. Started... kailan ako na mayor? 1988. Kailan ako fiscal? 1985 kami ni pastor. Initially, we decided not to go for slate, but upon the advice of many in the election industry, it would not be good. It would not be good. Kasi you should limit the opportunity for yung ano talaga. If not really a political person, then at least he must have the expertise para bumilib yung tao rin sa. So I leave it also to the party. And the Vice President will have to say on sino. Kung ma-roll ka, it has to be unanimity. Kung walang unanimity, hindi kita makarga. I mean, that ought to be the... Para unity, when you start campaigning, wala tayong bagahe. No dynamics at all. So, yung kaming tatlo ni Coco Pimentel and si Debot Alvarez, the Secretary General, we would ask for a unanimity sa votes. Kasi ayaw ko magdalang kandidato na ayaw mo, di ba? I mean, there would be, not animosity, but it leaves every time you talk about it, it leaves a bad taste in the mouth.
Sir, what about yung mga sumasama sa sorties ng mga senatorial candidates?
Wala man. Well, they are always there. So, well, we do not mind that. Yung gusto niyang tumabi, makuha ng kamay. Just accommodate. I'm also trying to be nice to my neighbor. I will not refuse to raise hands. But we just have to tell the truth that kakahayak-hap mo. May dynamics dyan sa norte. So, sabi ko, tapos naman, yun na yun. I will not go there also. Pagka ganun, you limit the... Why?
Only Manila.
CU is...
Ang Manila lang?
Yes.
Limited lang.
I will discuss it with Coco Alvarez. I'm not functioning fully. So, kung makina ako, I'm in the mga 65 lang ako. I'm not in functioning, well functioning
Going up 65.
human body.